today it's the 30th of October 2021 and we have Solkikuja 2 staircase. See here, probably the only staircase in this residential building has an elevator. This was built by Schindler with D-series fixtures in 1998 and the serial number is 1236C. We checked that on the internet. Connie's indicator. This is not Connie, it's Schindler.
Yeah.
And it will be inspected in the next year, 2020. It deserves 2 rights.
Yeah.
And in German, Personen.
Yeah.
And drop hydraulic.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. I like it.
Same here.
It's a good idea we came here also.
Yeah.
It's here in Myyrmäki, Länsi, Vantaa, Västra, Vantaa, Västra, Vantaa in the Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland. Only the up and down arrows don't work here.
Yeah.
The Connie probably added that indicator because it didn't work.
Yeah.
Or it had stopped working.
Yeah.
It still fits well. It's the same style.
Yeah.
It's pretty strange though. Second sunshine. Or I don't know if somebody's coming or I don't know if I heard something.
Piti kaikki lainskutat, maintain by Schindler. Connie.
Since this is quite early in Finland, 1998,
Yeah.
That's where probably they got this German one important.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
Thank you.